Another dangote accident right in front of VDM. Hey god o. Una know say VDM dey Auchi dey try wan stop dangote truck not to move. Now another accident happen for a present. This one dangote nothing worst. The truck just hit the, we no know sha wetin really happen there at fault, but the truck hit the motor back, the back scatter. Now wow. Hey omo, I no understand wetin dey happen. This ember month wey dey come, so we need to dey very careful, because I no understand wetin dey happen again. Dangote, if abi person see dangote go dey run, if you see dangote motor dey come, go dey run, because wetin dey happen for e present go na this one dey happen. So e present, no be say the video and send am, e present. Hey god oh, this one don serious o. E don serious. Person dey stop una no drive again, they go still jam person motor for a front. I don't want to do this matter pass. This case don pass, be careful. The same dangote truck. God abeg o, thank God say nothing worst o, thank God say nothing worst. We no know that fault, we never know, but even though the same dangote, was he involved in all these bad things? Hey god o. Verydarkman even post for a status, he say be like say they don tip dangote truck drivers, say make dem no worry, they dey there till night, because they no go to dey see them again. They don tip them, say oh VDM dey around o, una no pass so place, but VDM say allegedly, abeg o, VDM say make dem no worry, they dey there till night. But this one shock me o. E presence again, e present of night they take go knack another person motor. Dangote, to think that the man no even dey talk anything o, he just quiet, lock up, dey watch wetin dey happen. No see how this matter go end. You guys should be very careful. Anyway you see man no use that word, anyway you see dangote truck motor dey come, run. In fact, run for your dear life. Run, muje, carry your slippers for head, make you run, because you don't pass, be careful. I don't know wetin dey use this one dey do again.